Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview XSH RGB LED Pool Light Bulb 120 volt 35 watt. XSH LED underwater pool lights can provide brightness to light up your pool. Equivalent to 300 to 500 watt pool bulb, it also saves your electricity bill. Unscrew the old lamp to replace it with LED pool light bulb, as it is compatible with the most common Pentair Amerlite Hayward Astrolite series. This RGB pool light bulb can produce as many as 6 light choices and 6 color changing programs. Features: super bright and energy saving, remote and switch control, easy installation, 120 volt 35 watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.